A special thank you to each of our subscribers who make this channel possible. Here's today's story. In a significant development within the realm of U.S. politics, John Bolton, the former national security advisor under Donald Trump, has been indicted on serious charges related to the mishandling of classified information. The indictment, filed in federal court in Maryland, alleges that Bolton retained and transmitted national defense information, which constitutes a violation of the Espionage Act. This legal action marks the third instance in recent weeks where the Justice Department has pursued criminal charges against prominent opponents of the former president, raising eyebrows and concerns regarding the politicization of federal law enforcement. The indictment details a total of 18 counts against Bolton, comprising 8 counts for the transmission of national defense information and 10 counts for the retention of such information. Each charge carries a potential prison sentence of up to 10 years, although the final decision on sentencing will ultimately rest with a judge, who will consider various factors in determining the appropriate punishment. Bolton, who has emerged as one of Trump's most vocal critics since leaving the administration, expressed his intent to fight the charges, stating, "I look forward to the fight to defend my lawful conduct and to expose his abuse of power." His attorney, Abbe Lowell, firmly denied any wrongdoing, arguing that Bolton's actions, including the keeping of diaries, do not constitute a crime. Lowell asserted, "We look forward to proving once again that Ambassador Bolton did not unlawfully share or store any information." The indictment follows a series of investigations into Bolton's handling of classified materials, which reportedly began after the release of documents last month revealing that he was under federal scrutiny. Bolton's tenure as National Security Advisor was marked by his outspoken criticism of Trump's policies, leading to a notable rift between the two. This latest indictment comes on the heels of similar charges against other high-profile critics of Trump. Recently, former FBI Director James Comey and New York Attorney General Letitia James have also faced legal challenges, further intensifying the scrutiny on the Justice Department's actions under Trump's influence. Comey, who was dismissed by Trump in 2017, is currently facing charges related to making false statements to Congress and obstruction of Congress, while James is dealing with charges of bank fraud and making false statements to a financial institution. The Justice Department's swift move to indict Bolton has raised concerns among legal experts and political analysts regarding the motivations behind these actions. While some prosecutors initially expressed hesitation about proceeding with the case against Bolton, senior leaders within the Justice Department pushed for a rapid resolution, culminating in the recent indictment. This has led to fears of political pressure influencing legal proceedings, a departure from the traditional norms that have historically insulated federal law enforcement from political interference. In August, FBI agents conducted a search of Bolton's home and office, seeking evidence of potential violations of the Espionage Act. During this search, agents reportedly seized 2 mobile phones and various documents, including folders labeled Trump 1 to 4 and a binder titled Statements and Reflections to Allied Strikes. These materials are believed to contain sensitive information, including references to weapons of mass destruction and the U.S. mission to the United Nations. As the legal battles unfold, Bolton's indictment raises profound questions about the intersection of politics and the law in the United States. Critics argue that the Justice Department's actions reflect a troubling trend of using legal mechanisms to target political adversaries, while supporters of the indictment assert that no one is above the law, regardless of their political affiliations. The unfolding saga surrounding Bolton and other Trump critics will undoubtedly continue to captivate the public and political commentators alike. As the legal proceedings progress, all eyes will be on how the courts navigate these high-stakes cases and whether they will uphold the principles of justice in the face of intense political pressure. The implications of these indictments extend far beyond the individuals involved, potentially shaping the future of political discourse and accountability in the United States for years to come. That's all for this story. We upload videos every day covering many different subjects, so hit that subscribe button to stay informed. Thanks for watching.